Hello everyone. I want to introduce myself. I Wilson Hoven Montenegro. And today I'm going to present to speaking task 4, giving answer to my English course. The structure, let me give you the structure of my presentation. And first, I am giving some important facts about me. Want to share with you. Second, I am going to tell about the factory. I chose to double the letter in order to recognize how they contribute pollution. Third, what they've been the consequences is factory had caused to the environmental affectation. Later, I am going to show you some initiatives and recommendations of the factory and also public call due to recovery the environmental affectation. And finally, it is very important the reorganization the people can do to mitigate the environmental affectation. Here I am. I said before, I am Wilson Hoven. I am 34 years old. I am the policies man. I am to the oldest of two brothers and one sister. I am Caqueteño, but I live in Neiva, Huila. It is warring by Coast City. Currently, I am studying business administration as part of my life project. I am married to Maria Jose. We are one for and one baby. What is the company? The company is Bethel is the exclusive hotel complex built in the heart of La Tatacoa Desert in Villavieja, Huila. Currently complement 10 years of operation, managed to have visited the department of Huila and hit consuming the head hotel segment, sometimes that have never happened before in the department. Bethel was a model of study for universities in students, was also a model of view architecture and transformation of the region. However, at the detailed for you bit and transform